Once more, thank you for your participation, and I would like to ask for a welcome address, Professor Paweł Wielgosz. Rector, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So you're ready to welcome everybody. So I have great pleasure in welcoming our guest on behalf of our rector, Professor Jerzy Andrzej Przyborowski, who would like to participate in the conference, but unfortunately he's in a business travel abroad this time, coming back only tomorrow evening. With the joy and I congratulate on organizing this international conference entitled The International Order in situ Nascendi. This is already the second conference, as Professor Żukowski already mentioned. I remember the first one held in December 2022 in Karachi with a full plenary room of faculty members and students interested in political sciences, but also in the Polish-Pakistani relationships and their surprisingly long and interesting history. This exceptional event provides an incredible, important platform for exchanges and discussions in the modern world. The conference theme is very significant, particularly in the context on dynamic geopolitical challenges, global issues, and emerging power structures. Organizing such a prestigious conference connecting both nations requires tremendous dedication, professionalism, and excellent cooperation, for which all of you, the organizers, deserve the highest recognition. I am confident that your efforts will contribute to develop the establishment of new international contacts and the development of valuable conclusions that will influence future research and policy. I wish all the conference participants fruitful deliberations, inspiring discussions, and satisfaction for participating in this important event. May the conference mark the beginning of new, innovative projects and top-level scientific collaborations. Thank you. Let me congratulate Professor Arkadiusz Żukowski, the main organizer, and give address to the Rector. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So it's time for our guests from